So now left side, how will you turn the person to left side? For example, let's imagine, so he is around some 120 kgs and the person who's trying to help him is some 60 kgs. So how will you turn the person to the left side? So anyone want to give it try? Anyone want to come and do it here?
Right shoulder.
If we want to come and try, you can just come and try. So give it a try. So if there is any correction, I'll let them.
You have to load the person.
Yeah, put the person, whatever you want to do it, just don't explain it, come and do it here. Then after that, if there is any correction, we'll do it. So it is just rolling the person to left side, that's it. No, it is not something technical.
No, even just
So anyone want to give it a try, come. So మీరు ఎట్లా just complete your body relax చేసి ఏది ప్రెషర్ లేకుండా.
Just relax.
So who want to give it a try?
Yeah.
Karthik? So Santosh garu, మీరు కూడా yeah, and left side తిప్పి పడుకోబెట్టారు. Everyone is on the same page, right? Okay.
It should be a vice versa.
Yes, sir.
It should be a vice versa. Islam should on the floor.
So whatever you want to do, come and do it. Okay, position అయిపోయిందా? Okay, what is correct and what is wrong here? Anyone want to comment? మీరు అట్లా ఉండండి. So ఇప్పుడు when the person is turned like this, so ఈయన ఇట్లానే ఉంటారని ఛాన్స్ ఉందా? పడిపోవచ్చు. ఓకే, ఇంకేమన్నా ఉన్నాయి మళ్ళీ అట్లా ఇంకేమైనా కరెక్షన్స్ ఉన్నాయి? పడిపోతున్నారు కదా. సో బండి ఆపిన తర్వాత ఏం చేస్తారు మీరు? బండి పెట్టుకుంటారా? Very good. Okay. So we sort it out. So this is how you will put your leg. Okay. So but imagine, but you are around his ఆయన weight ఉంటారు మీరు. It is easy for you to turn. So imagine, for example, ఇంకా heavy ఉన్నారు. So there is a proper mechanism for it. Very easy way.